got the toy channel, and I'm gonna be doing Yeah, we got new toys today. So Julie already unboxed his. His is the Goldberg WWE wrestler, the elite one. And did you want to show him his champion belt?
Yeah.
Well, did you want to show him his other hands he has?
And subscribe.
Yeah, he also has other hands. Like, look, see, like
A hand and a back.
yeah. He has like other hands too.
I'm gonna try to put on the belt.
You gonna try to put on the belt on him? Mm-hmm. Okay, while you do that, I am going to turn the camera to me.
Alright.
And I am going to be unboxing dun, 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 a card captor Sakura figurine.
Thank you.
Alright.
She's not really that famous, sister.
Jui, it's an anime.
Alright, I guess she's famous.
It's an anime, Jimmy. Anime. She's in a real life character. Like, she's not in real life. It's just an anime.
This is so hard.
Yeah, this is hard. Alright.
Here's your box, love.
To open. Whoa. So this is what it's inside. It's like small, but it's still really good. Get ready. Drum roll, please. So can you give me a drum roll, please, on the table? No, you put those down and then do it like, yeah. All right, there you go. Stop. Dun, dun, dun. So we gotta build her. Look at her. She's so pretty.
I put on the belt.
Yeah, can you help me build her?
Yeah.
I put on the belt of
Whoa. Alright, wait. You don't know how to spell your own daughter's name?
What is their last name? Oh, is there a list?
No, their name.
Like if your teacher had a list,
Like, what do you mean?
or like, okay, Mila is Mila.
Yes. I'll spell their last names for you.
What is it? Boxster.
Buckmaster. Just spell Mila and then I'll spell it for you. Alright, so my paper the quiz is gonna be doing that while I show your.
Oh, I have your mom's information.
Oh, I show yours. It's so big. Whoa.
So it's ninth birthday. It's ninth birthday, girl, right?
Yes.
Whoa.
There's so many bubble wrap on like the feet. There's like so much bubble wrap. Yeah, why is there so much bubble wrap on the feet?
Yeah.
To protect it.
And popping the bubbles. It's satisfying. Pop the bubbles to me. French satisfying.
Hosted by Romana Family or Juliet.
Just the Romano family.
The Romano family.
I popped it.
It's so.
Date and time. So we're doing it Saturday or Friday. Friday, right?
No, Saturday.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Why you don't want it on your birthday?
Like my real birthday? Oh no, it's because I'm afraid that like we won't have enough time since remember my daycare. Since I get up at daycare really late.
Early.
Alright, then yeah, Friday.
Or we can, okay, we'll wait for Daddy then.
So just save that blank for now. Ugh. I'm trying to do the other side. See, like you also have to build this too, but look. Super big. Here's the box. It's like as big as the box. The box is like giant. Wait, can you stand here? Stand still real But so this is Jimmy compared to the box. Jimmy's that big.
Yes.
Jimmy, you could like fit inside the box.
Wait, let me try.
Yeah, for a second I was gonna try to fit inside the box.
Oh.
Okay.
Careful, girl.
Be
don't
careful,
drop
like
it.
be
You're
really
gonna
careful.
break
This is
it.
a very.
Delicate. Just put it on the table.
I can
Hold
fit
it like
inside
this.
the
Hold that
box.
head.
Don't destroy the box.
Hold here
Because
exactly in the
it's a
head.
collection
Don't
item.
touch the like little.
Don't destroy the box.
pretty
Just
thing,
get
okay?
out.
Just go from there and there.
Don't destroy it because it's a collection item. So in case that Kuya gets tired of it, he can still sell it for lots of money.
Okay, so this is
Put
the
those here,
finishing
Kuya. The
product.
Yeah, I know.
She's
I know.
under your
beautiful.
the box. Juliet, let me see. Oh, she's so pretty.
I know, I like her eyes. Look at her eyes. They're so cute.
You guys are so fancy. Your toys are very nice.
Because we picked the right toys. This isn't even like a toy.
I'm just gonna take a scissor to this.
So cute. Like, look, there's like this tiny bow. And then
Very,
I like,
very nice.
and then I like
Good bird.
wand and and then it's I like
Would you like to see Goldberg again in a different?
yeah, so just show them your Goldberg. Well, I'll get something.
This bell. Goldberg.
Alright, so would you move? Wait, real quick. Alright, so I'll just put this aside. Right there. So fragile. So next is like the box. So the box.
He's a 3-star champion.
3-star champion award. So look, there's like, I like this box. It's like it's very detailed, and then it's also like one of the originals. So it's like it says like Band Pista right here, and then there's also like the Bandai. Yeah, and see like this is the Bandai stamps right there. I got bees. See, look. Bees right there. There, and then this is what it's supposed to look like. And then, so like, see, there's A and B. A is like it's like more darker, and I like B since like it's a lot brighter, and it's like almost the original or what it looks like in the series. So that's what I like. That seems easy to build. You just snap 2 pieces together. Oh God, see these? What?
Wow.
Wow.
Look at it, Ma. It's basically a statue.
It's also like a statue. Compare to mine. Mine's small. Wait, Joe, let's compare Goldberg to mine. Mine has a bigger head. Wait, Jay, why is Goldberg's head so small compared to hers?
It's because it's activated.
So, yeah, Goldberg is a bit taller than Sakura. But that's okay. Wait, could the champion belt fit on Sakura? No, it's like too big for her.
Yeah, it's so big.
Wow. This feels so cool and nice. So pretty. I like there's like so many details. Like even on the gloves, there's like a little tiny.
Guys, we do so much unboxing video.
No, we haven't, Jimmy.
We do so much.
We've done a bunch of random videos.
Yeah.
Ooh, she's like so smooth. And then you could also, and then like this also slides off and on. Ooh, this is nice. But she's like very fragile, so like the legs and arms could easily break off. And same for like these things. It's like you like shouldn't touch them. But it's really nice. And this is my first figure.
Yeah, it's our first figure.
Like my first anime figurine ever. And like this is a good brand, so that's good. But I plan on getting bigger ones. So they're actually like that. Since like this is a bit worth it, but like it's a bit. Oh no, I ripped it.
You ripped it? Oh no.
Oh wait, no, it's still showable. So I'm trying to balance this. So let's see, it says it's $26 and technically 27, which tax the real one is like $26.99.
It is WrestleMania, man. The name of WrestleMania WWE Belt Man.
No, it's Goldberg.
The WrestleMania Belt Man.
Yeah, and then there's also like a Sailor Moon figurine at the store for the same amount of price, but it was like this much bigger than her. It still is good. Jay, move your sock out of the way.
I don't care.
Move your sock out of the way. It's ruining the picture. No. Alright, thank you. Jimmy, stop.
Jimmy, don't stop. When somebody tells you to stop, you have to stop.
Look, it's so pretty. And like this is her little card captor staff. Super good. So many details. It's like perfectly shaped. This is like a good price for this. Since like these are harder to win at the arcade.
Yeah, it's very hard to win at the arcade.
Well, gotta be very careful with her. So pretty. Yeah, this is the box I made. Bunch of old bones stuck together. And like a very big mess. Why do you want the box, Jenny?
I don't know.
Yeah, let me see yours. Let me see your figure. Oh my God.
Alright.
That's crazy.
Yeah, oh wow. Would it come with a stand?
Yeah, not the stand. Here, just let me.
It
There you
came
go.
with a stand?
Good thing it's crazy.
I know, right?
It's
The details
big.
is so crazy. Right?
Huh?
It's so big.
It's a big sister.
It looks like an actual real life person.
Let's pose it and crazy.
Bruh, that is so cool.
They'll post his on Facebook and then mine on Facebook.
And then mine.
Wait, who do you think is better, guys?
I
Yeah.
really want it.
Cleo's or mine?
Yeah, who do you think is better?
I think mine's better still.
Wait, don't move.
Wow.
I think mine.
This is worth it.
Like if you like Kuya's better. But subscribe if you like sisters better.
Yes,
This is so
yeah, mine's better.
Kuya's is definitely better.
No,
Oh, yes, it's cute.
oh, and then, yeah, that means big brother in the Philippines. In the Philippines, but
Jimmy, don't
made a nice happy birthday card for me. He even designed it, but it's just blank. It's like for now, but it's not my actual birthday right now. My birthday is April 15th.
This one is yours.
I don't know why, but it says doll.
He stand up
It
too.
says like doll right here. And then it also says happy birthday. This is like the dad guy from The Simpsons. Sorry for The Simpsons. Alright, wait, can I have mine?
Gonna be on face. On the office book.
Okay, so yours is like insanely fragile, okay? This part here, and then this part here. You want to mainly grab it from like the top of the head and the bottom of the stand, okay?
Alright.
You want to go put it in your room? Let's go.
Alright.
I'll hold it for you so you don't drop it.
Yes.
Wow, they look so cool.
Fragile. Very fragile. So all you have to do is go up the stairs. Wait, why is this far from the downstairs?
Right here is perfect.
Yes. It's beautiful. Homework. Anyways, bye. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe. And comment down below. And subscribe if you like mine's better, but like if you like my big brother's Cool Yaz better.